Well, hello everybody. This is Mr. Heiser, the principal over at Meadowlawn. Just giving you some really quick guidance on today's open house. Probably the most important thing you need to know about open house right now is the time frame, which is 4:30 to 6:30. And you can come anytime you want, no matter what grade, 3rd, 4th, or 5th grade. You'll just enter right in through our gymnasium and come right in. And it can be 4:30, it can be 5 o'clock, it can be 6:18. Anytime you want to come in, just come on in and we will hand you something. It'll have a lot of information on it. I'm going to go over that too. But the main thing is you can come in at any time. The reason why we're doing that is because we want it to be a true open house to where you'll have a little more time to talk with your teachers and things like that, rather than everybody in one confined space for like 20 minutes of time and just getting a lot of information and not being able to ask any questions or anything like that. So we feel like this is going to be a great opportunity for you guys. So the other important things is we are creating a back to school carnival open house where there's going to be a lot of awesome things that we're going to be doing. We're going to be having raffles. We're going to be giving away some things. And the more places that you go to, the more raffle tickets that you will get and the more opportunities that you'll have to be able to win some pretty cool prizes. So there's all kinds of different prizes that we'll have. We might have some gift cards or some books, some games, some school merchandise. There's a lot of different things that we will have available. Also, it's not going to probably feed you like a dinner or anything like that, but we will have areas where you can pick up some cotton candy or popcorn or snow cones. And those will probably be in the playground areas and in our multi-purpose room. And also you could earn chances to get Pirate Gold, which is how students earn opportunities to be chosen for prizes in school. So you can actually start a little bit early, students, to be able to win some things. Also, we are going to have some awesome stations that are going to be directly helpful for you as parents. We're going to, if you had trouble filling out things on final forms or have issues understanding how Power School works, or maybe if you're having trouble logging into Power School, we're going to have stations devoted specifically for that, as well as Class Dojo. If you're not familiar with Class Dojo, that is going to be the main source that our teachers are going to be communicating with our families. And so you're going to want to be part of that. We're hoping to get 100% of our families on Class Dojo, so then it's really easy to communicate very, very quickly. It's something that our families have asked for, and we want to be able to find a common way to be able to get our message across very, very quickly from our teachers. Of course, we'll still send emails and text messages and things like that, but Class Dojo seems to work really, really well for that. And of course, you'll be able to visit your teachers. So we hope to see you really, really soon. And if you have any questions, you can always give us a call here at the school, 419-625-0214. 419-625-0214, and we can try to answer some of those questions. But hopefully we will see you tonight sometime between 4:30 and 6:30. Just a little hint for those of you that are still listening, I would suggest not coming at 4:30, just because it's probably going to be a madhouse right at 4:30. But if that's the best time for you, then please show right up. Thank you, everybody. Have a great time, and we'll see you really, really soon.